Hello friends, welcome to RJ Properties. This is a rental income commercial building for sale, G+3 plus penthouse. This is a road, 100 feet road is there in Alkapuri Township. 100 feet road is there, Narsingi main road. So interested buyers can contact RJ Properties. West facing 140 square yards, G+3 property. Ground floor there is a shutter and first floor 2 BHK, second same, third be same. So interested buyers can contact RJ Properties. West facing, price quoting 2 CR, little bit negotiable. So each and everything is clear, and with permission building G+2. On third floor you can BRS, you can take BRS. This is the entrance. This is a 100 feet road. One road is going there. So this is a 100 feet road. So interested buyers can contact RJ Properties. Very good property for commercial purpose. There is a Narsingi main road from Alkapuri Township. So this is the property. Rent will be come around 85,000 per month. So interested buyers can contact only RJ Properties. Only buyers can contact. This is the parking area I am showing you. Very good construction they have done. So each and everything is clear. This is the parking area. Some is there, water tank, and borewell is also available. Good water supply, and this is the steps, and separate meters are there. So very good construction already done. So this is the lift. So I will show you the third floor. Again I am telling 140 square yards, west facing, 100 feet road front of this property. 100 feet road in front of this property. You can see this is the parking area. 140 square yards, 100 feet road in front of this apartment building. So total building for sale, and price quoting 2 CR, little bit negotiable. New construction property. So interested buyers can contact RJ Properties. Thank you. I am in third floor, same as it is. All floors are same as it is. 2 BHK flat, each floor. This is the flat with ceiling, almost completed. This is the kitchen. $100 feet road in front of this property. This is a totally commercial property. See the locality near common washroom. Another master bedroom is there. One master bedroom and one is common bedroom. You can see. Total square yards 140 square yards. West facing property. West facing. Each floor 2 BHK, G+3. This is the Narsingi road. 100 feet road is there. You can see both sides. 100 feet road. Interested buyers can contact RJ Properties. This is the Narsingi main road. Interested buyers can contact RJ Properties. Price quoting 2 CR, little bit negotiable. 140 square yards with LRS paid. G+2 permission is there. Remaining third floor BRS. Interested buyers can contact RJ Properties. Lift is also available. Fifth terrace. New construction property. Rental income building. Rental will be monthly around 85 to 90,000. So thank you.